Naloko ka na ba ng technician kasi hindi mo alam ibig sabihin nito? Let me explain to you in 60 seconds. GT for basic display, GTX for entry to mid gaming, at RTX ang pinaka-advanced at may ray tracing para mas realistic ang graphics. For the first digit is the generation. Mas mataas, mas bago. Yung susunod na dalawang digit is the performance tier. 50 entry, 60 is mid-range, 70 upper mid, 80 high-end, at 90 is flagship. Sa extra letters naman, Super equals to upgraded version, TI is the boosted version, TI Super ay pinagsamang upgrade plus boost. In simple terms, para siyang iPhone 11, 11 Pro, at 11 Pro Max. For entry-level cards is for basic build at light gaming. For mid-range cards is best for 1080p at 1440p gaming. Upper mid-range cards for AAA titles, higher FPS, and smooth 1440p gaming. High-end cards designed for 4K gaming, content creation, and heavy workloads. Pero tandaan, lagi mo i-check yung budget, monitor resolution, at power supply. Kasi walang point na bumili ka ng 4090 pero 1080p yung monitor mo. Eh ikaw,